Have you heard all the hype about heat pumps and wonder what it's all about? Let's take a look at how they work.
Much like a water pump moves water from one place to another, and a heat pump does that same thing, just with heat instead of water.
That's where you gain the efficiency. It's much more cost-effective to move heat than to make new heat.
Heat pumps don't just heat and cool, they do it smarter, using up to 3 times less energy than some traditional systems.
That's great, but what about very cold weather? Do heat pumps still work in the cold?
The short answer is yes. Most heat pumps are rated up to -30. But what happens after -30, you ask?
Well, that's where a furnace, a smart thermostat, and a heat pump team up to make a highly efficient hybrid system. If you would like to see how a heat pump system could benefit you, reach out today for your free consult with Valley Heating and Cooling.